Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm sure today I'm making quick and easy biryani. I got about 1 kilo chicken here. I got two potato here. I got small cup lentil dal, biryani dal, 2 tablespoon margarine, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. I got some thyme here. I got tomato. I got turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon, 1.5 tablespoon mixed masala, and 1.5 tablespoon of ginger and garlic ground. I got some curry leaf. I got green chilies. I got 1 onions, and I got 3/4 cup oil, guys. So I'm on the braise, and I got 3.5 cup rice here soaked. You see my rice are soaked here. So I'm gonna put this rice. So guys, I want to show you all today. Those people don't know how to make quick and easy biryani. You can make like this. So here goes my oil first. Here goes my oil. So guys, you're going to follow my recipe and watch in my new WhatsApp channel, Auntie Bina's recipe. Yeah. Here goes my margarine. So let my butter melt. Easy way, guys, you can make your biryani. It's cold day today. We're just making it simple way. So I'm not adding no peas, nothing, just potato and biryani dal. So now goes my onions and my thyme and my curry leaf and my green chilies. So I'll let all this fry. Then I'll use my ginger garlic. Meantime I'll let it all fry. And my cumin seed goes together. So I'll let it fry now, guys, for a while. When my onions turn brown, then I'll put it. Guys, my onions got fried, my chilies nicely too. Here goes my salt, 1 tablespoon fine salt. Here, my ginger garlic. Then my biryani spice roasted. And my black pepper. And my turmeric powder. So guys, most of y'all don't know why I'm not using whole spice. I don't like the whole spice. So I showed you on my channel, you can watch it. I buy 1 kilo, all the sticks and the stars, ilachi, all I buy. I roast it, I grind it. I make it powder because I don't like in the biryani you pick and keep one side and then you eat. So I roast and I grind the powder all and I keep it. That's how I use biryani ground spice. Here goes my masala. So it still has all the flavor because I buy 1 kg and I roast it and I grind it. I put in the blender, grind it, and I use the powder. Now goes my tomato. So now I'll place my chicken here to fry with the tomato. There goes my chicken. Quick and easy, guys, I showed y'all. If you got some chicken, you can just make it easy chicken biryani. Soft chicken biryani doesn't take long. And my biryani dal goes. So everything goes one time because why, it's a soft chicken. So when you wait for the thing to get cooked and then you put, everything comes a mince like, and I don't like it. So that's why I had my biryani dal soaked. So here I'll wait for 10 minutes. I'll place my rice and potato. So I'll let it fry a little while, guys. So guys, my chicken was frying at least 10 minutes. Now I'll put the potato. Then I'll place my rice. Then I've got frozen dhania, which I'm going to put. And wait for another 5 minutes. I'll place my rice. I'll wait for 5 minutes, guys. Then I'll place my rice. So guys, now I'll stir my chicken. And here goes my rice. My rice. So here guys, I'm going to use some hot water. I boiled my water, my boiling water. And I'll stir it and let it cook. Then I will got frozen dhania. I'll place my dhania here. So I'll let it cook now, guys. So guys, I'll let it cook in low heat for 30 minutes. Then I'll show y'all. So guys, this is my biryani. Very, very tasty, guys. You see the potato? The potato just melted. Very tasty, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy it, share it.